Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Polish kielbasa. First, let's start with pan frying, a quick and easy method. Slice your kielbasa into half-inch thick rounds or diagonal pieces. Heat a large skillet over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil. Add the kielbasa and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, flipping occasionally until it's beautifully browned and heated through. This method creates a delicious, slightly crispy exterior. Boiling is another excellent way to prepare kielbasa, especially if you prefer a softer texture. Simply place the whole or sliced kielbasa into a pot and cover it with water, ensuring it's submerged by about 1 inch. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it's thoroughly heated through. This method keeps the kielbasa wonderfully moist. For a smoky flavor and beautiful grill marks, grilling is the way to go. Preheat your grill to a medium heat, aiming for around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the kielbasa directly onto the grill grates. Grill for 10 to 15 minutes, turning it every few minutes to ensure even cooking and those appealing char marks. It's perfect for outdoor gatherings and adds a fantastic depth of flavor. Baking offers a hands-off approach, ideal for cooking larger quantities. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the kielbasa, either whole or sliced, on a baking sheet. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, making sure to flip it halfway through to ensure even browning. This method results in a tender and flavorful kielbasa with minimal effort, perfect for a family meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.